What is up, my FabFitFam? I am back with another video for you. This one is about nails. In this video, I'm going to do kind of like a little creative lookbook, if you will, type of video. And I'm going to show you how I go from this to this. I'm going to show you two brands of press-on nails that I use on a regular basis. Not only to save some money, but to have variety and not ruin your nails. So, if you're interested in that, just keep watching. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the main difference between these two brands of nails. Obviously the shapes, you can find different shapes, different colors, different styles in each of these brands. They are both relatively around the same price. I believe this one is maybe $8.99, this one is $6.99. I'll put the correct price point here on the screen for you. Let's see what the main difference is. Starting with the Impress. The Impress has a patented super hold adhesive, which means there is no glue that comes with it. Okay, so for this one, as you can see, it has this plastic tab. If you guys can see that. There's a plastic tab right here. There we go. Now you can see it. And that is where you will pull this off, and it has an adhesive underneath. You just match it up where the tab is and you adhere. There's no glue. It does recommend no water for about an hour, so you want to do this after a shower, you know, after cleaning dishes, whatever you need to do. That way the adhesive has enough time to completely adhere to your nail. Now with the KISS brand, these ones come again in all different shapes, styles, sizes. They have different nail lengths. So like from short to long. Come back to the Impress really quick. They're all about the same size. They don't have different sizing that you can get. That's one of the major differences, is you can't choose different lengths and sizes. So if your nails are naturally longer, this may be a problem for you because they will be about the same length as your nails. But they give you that gel-like finish. With the KISS brand, these ones do come with a glue, and they also come with an adhesive tab. I personally do not like the adhesive tab that comes with the KISS brand of nail, but I do like the glue. Now these claim to last up to 7 days. From my experience, they do last. If you apply them properly, they will last you a long time. So those are a couple of the main differences. The size that you could choose with the KISS versus the Impress, and the glue, the adhesive type. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so I've decided to do this set of nails right here. These are the KISS Gel Fantasy Ready to Wear Gel by KISS brand in the medium length. They actually match my watch band. It's like a rose gold almost. Alright, so let's jump right in. So my nails are already prepped. No polish, filed to the style that I want, not that you need to. And what this comes with, like I mentioned, it does have the gel adhesives, which I personally do not like. So I'll put those to the side over there. Then we have the glue that it comes with. and the nails. So these are the extra nails that are inside. These are just kind of like the display. You figure out which ones fit your nail. Right here, I don't know if you could see, there's like a circle. This is where you would put your glue in between each nail that you are trying to apply. I'm gonna just open the glue right now, that way it's done and ready to go. So step one is to figure out which nails fit on which finger. So I have very little pinky nails. There's usually only one set of pinky nails in here that fit my actual pinky nail, which I think is this one, and this on the bottom. On the inside, you see there's a number in there. This one is number 13, and that's probably going to fit the best. I don't know if you guys can see that. So you want it to fit not too far over to the sides. So you basically want to just figure out which nail fits your nail, and I just kind of line them up like this. Now just go through each one and figure out which one fits on what nail. Okay, so now that I have all of the nails lined up here, you always want to start with the pinkies. I personally start with my non-dominant hand. That way I can get that out of the way. Now the way to do it with the glue, you're going to put a little drop of glue on your nail as well as on the actual press-on. Let's take a little bit of glue, put it on the press-on and my nail. A little bit on my pinky like that. So then you want to just put some pressure on it, and I like to just roll back and forth. It kind of gets any air bubbles out, and that is nail number 1, and you just keep doing that. Be careful not to glue your fingers together. That's all I have to say. Now for your thumbs. Like I said, I would do your non-dominant hand first, and you see the glue starts to squeeze out a little bit off the sides. That is okay. It's okay. Just don't get your other finger on it. You're all done. Pretty easy, right? Now you want to wait, I would say, at least an hour before you get them wet, and also before you start filing them. Sometimes the edges can be a little rough because they come off of the plastic, but other than that, I mean, you can't beat that. 10 minutes. Exactly 10 minutes it took me. A little less than 10 minutes actually. Now you can go on with your day. If you feel like any are gonna pop off, just reapply some glue. That's it, guys. Quick and easy press-on nails. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you truly enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make and edit and all that good stuff. And I just love doing my nails. So if this is something that you like, let me know. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that like button. Leave me those comments down below. What was your favorite pair of nails that you saw? Style, color, shape, whatever the case may be. If you wear press-on nails, let me know as well. Is there a certain brand that you like to wear? I would love to check them out if they're better than these ones. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not already. Hit that red button, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.